Right, here we go. So I'm going to take that shrub out, then I'm going to probably come down like this and then reface it. As you can see, there was ivy in this wall. It's been killed off, but sometimes when you kill the ivy off, once it dies and shrinks, it then creates space in the wall. And 9 times out of 10, where a big patch of ivy's been growing and it's penetrated the wall and you kill it off, this happens. It all goes loose, and then all the mortar breaks away, weather hits it. So anyway, it's literally just a patch repair job. I've got loads of them to do. This is number 1. I'm basically doing them in priority order because on this job, I keep returning basically. There are walls everywhere. I will show you later. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to take this down very slowly. I might do it, sort of take this section out first and build it up and then take it as I go. I can cover what I've built as well, so any dust and mortar that falls on, I can clear off. So without further ado, let's pray it doesn't all go. There's always a risk, but I think we should be fine. But I will move back a little bit just to... Here we go. Oh, first stone out. Oh, look at that root, you can see it already. Literally, you can see it already. Keep the stone to one side. Yeah, look, you can just... Massive root in there, absolutely massive, look. They're everywhere. Ooh, it's dusty. Might go get my mask. I will see. The only way of doing it this way is obviously, you know, you need to get it built up quick, but once I get that set in, we should be hunky-dory. Because these are actually quite solid, these, so that they should hold, he says. God, it's just totally gone inside. Well bad. Totally gone. Oh, little nest there. Oh, that's a bit. Little bird's nest there. Looks spent. Sorry. Yeah, no, that's gone. We'll keep that out, I'll just put that there. Just in case this is reused. Right, he's a strong point. He's a strong point too, so I think so there is where we're gonna go, mate. I am just doing it slowly because obviously I don't want a dust cloud. Just double check all the time that all the above stones are sound. And then what I can do, I can obviously get into them as I go. Brushy, 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 brushy. When we come up to the top, we're going to come down. Well, like I say, I'll once I get this bit up, I'll cover it and then take down the next. Sometimes if you take too much down, it's just going to be too exposed. And obviously with ones like that, you know what I mean? Obviously I'm going to be very wary. The mortar I'm using is just an NHL. I'm just trying to match the original. Most of it is cement, but just an NHL 3.5. Just really coarse. 3-to-1. Like I say, it's only a backing mortar, so it's going to be mostly it's basically going to be dry stone effect. So there's mortar in the back. Big uns. Oh, that's heavy, isn't it? Look at that, eh? Nice. He's good enough, isn't he? Right, this section's in, so I'm going to get this shrub out and then take that out, and then I might just repoint all these bits or just change the stones, I don't know yet. Right, let's see what's going on. The big problem you've got is these roots could be going in so far, so you've still got a risk of further problem basically, because these are big old roots. Everything else seems solid. This one goes to there. This does seem dead though. Let her have it. This is going to be a beauty. Oh my days, look at that. Look at that. That's just born to be there. Born, I say. Really well there. It's quite long as well. Oh yes. I like you. Oh yeah, beautiful. It's a nice one for in there. I think I've found the winner. The winner. Oh, mate. Yes. Oh, mate. Couple of pins are in there. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Not all jobs are glamorous. So hot. So hot. Oh, the job that keeps giving. So I'm going to take this down. All these tops are going to get reset, but all I'm worried about at the minute is these. They're proper overhanging. And then once I've got that section in, I will jump on the holes, get all the holes done, and then eventually it's going to be a whole repoint. But same again, ivy strikes again, but all these tops need resetting back. The wall's quite sound, realistically, it's a very old wall, so there's no need to really rebuild it for a minute. We just want to basically repair it. So I want to get the main bit done, basically make it as safe as possible, and then yeah, a few hits will get it done. Oh, it's a long day today, proper long. What time is it? I think it's about 3-4 o'clock. Right, let's get set up. I want to remove them tops first, take out these big stones, just try and make it as safe as possible. Yeah, watch my back on this bit, I tell you. Sorry about the bad camera angles. The sun's blaring, so it's better than nothing, but I'm trying. Feeling it now. I'm feeling it. Oh, coffee. Right, let's get ready for the big one. Need a coffee. Oh, need a break. I don't know why, but I always take a lump of the mortar out and just sort of squeeze it up and just see how it dries up. But look at her, she's lovely, lovely colour. Anyway, boom, got that in. All these tops need relaying next time, down this slope as well, because if you have a look, that's all gone. So there is lots of work to do, really. But I'm so glad I got this corner done, because that was overhanging. As you can see, I've got that to do as well. But yeah, you know, not every job's glorious, you know, so at least I got that up. Obviously got the other section done as well, which I'll quickly show before I go. And then I did a few little pieces on the front wall, but like I say, this wall's massive. On the way back to my van, I'll show you all the other walls. But yeah, it's just one of them, trying to keep it going for a little bit anyway. I am very happy with that colour though. like I say, I know it's obviously not full colour. It'll be a good couple of days till that comes out, like, but it's a nice sort of buff, earthy colour. It's nice. Anyway, look at that as well. This is what I had left. So I'm going to have to find some more stones somewhere. Well, 2 stones. Crazy. Crazy. And that, I did actually get a barrel load from over there. So anyway, I'll show you the other wall and then I need to get home. It's getting late. Look at this beast. Goes on for days. Do you know what though? It's actually all right, this wall. There's a few little bits down here I need to crack on with. Like remove the ivy and that. A few holes and that. But this is actually one of the better ones. Literally, look, it carries on going. What it does, it wraps round and see, look, see all the ivy? I can't go too far because I've only got the Crocs on. Same again on this wall, really. That's the patch I put in. There's a bit more to do down there, but for a minute, you know, once it dries up, it'll be all right. So I'm going to wrap some hessian over and, yeah, go home. What a day. Look, that is sweat. I could literally dry that out and put that on my chips. A lovely bit of salt. Man, what a day. Do you know what? I wanted to do this video because I've been doing quite a lot of these. Well, I'm saying that, like, it's just fix-up jobs. Obviously, a lot more work needs to be done. Why am I... Sun visors, that's why they were created. A lot more work needs to be done on it. Like I say, this is going to be a really ongoing project, just like the little barn. I've got loads of them on. It's just one of them, really. Just trying to make good of it. You know, once again, yeah, you can knock it down, but it's just, you know, we can save it. We can keep it going for a little bit longer. So yeah, like I say, I've done what I could today. I've been up since, well, I left the house about 6 o'clock and it is 8:15 now. So it's been a long day. I've got a heat wave coming in as well. I am actually on a house repoint. I've managed to get it all raked out, but I've had to come off it because it's proper lime. So yeah, it's not an HL. It's just, yeah, we've got about 3 days of 30 degrees and I just don't really see the point in going in so early. I might as well bang out on all these little jobs. I did cover that the job I've just done just with hessian, but like I say, it is just going to get raked back anyway. It's more of just a backing mortar, hence why NHL is absolutely fine for it. Like, but yeah. So anyway, I thought I'd show it. You know what I mean? I don't keep showing all like the good jobs because at the end of the day, like I do a lot of stuff like this really, and it's just making good. And I think we have, like I say, you know, the customer's over the moon, and that's all that matters. You know, it is one of them. I did say the wall is gone. The inside of the wall is gone. So we're just going to do section by section, but I can only do what I can do. Do you know what I mean? At the end of the day, yeah, it is what it is. It's not all glorious walling. I love jobs like that. I love the little nitty gritties, but don't even ask me about the trestles. While I've been on a ladder today, I do not advise it. Anything to do with walls, it should be at least a trestle. But there was a bit of a miscommunication. I'm not going to go into it. But yeah, it has made it a lot harder. But you know what? It's not always easy, and I like a task. And yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go grab a beer and enjoy the bank holiday weekend. Take care, and I think next video will be a nice repoint, nice simple repoint. I love it. Anyway, take care. Thank you for watching.